Hello everyone and welcome back to Praks Art Gallery. Today I am drawing a portrait with all charcoal. So here I have used charcoal pencil and charcoal powder. All the material details you can find in the description. So check out the description for all the details. Now let's get started. So for all the darker tones I am using soft charcoal pencil, and here I have used Camlin Charcoal pencil and general charcoal pencil. For the lighter tones I'll be mainly using charcoal powder with the help of a brush, and for hair also, since the hair was little light in nature, so I have used the hard charcoal pencil. So if you are thinking, if you do not have a charcoal powder and still you want to draw the charcoal portrait, definitely you can do it. As you can see, I have a notepad on the side where I have actually used the charcoal pencil. I have sketched some of the charcoal pencil with a little bit high pressure on the separate notepad, and from there you can just take your brush and rub it over there and then apply. So that way it will act as a charcoal powder, and you need not to explicitly buy a charcoal powder if you are very beginner, or if you just want to try out the charcoal portrait with the charcoal powder. hope you are enjoying the process of creating this portrait using charcoal. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, which tells me exactly what sort of drawings you all like, and I can, draw more like that. And if you are new to my channel and like my content, so consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching and giving your time. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.